We alive, baby. We alive. Give me a second to get caught up here. Doing what I got to do. I think that thing's supposed to fade away. All right, y'all. We in here in a brand new week. It's the first of the month. Right, we trying to start off strong. Trying to keep the good momentum, good energy, good trades, good trading plan. The whole nine. Really excited. Really, really excited to see how we continue to elevate, how we continue to help others elevate, and just make sure the whole gang is eating. Doing some other things in the background, getting it right. Before the beginning of our stream here. All right. Let's continue here. One of the main things I'm noticing, one is that my mic was picking up the audio feed. That wasn't good. So I'm gonna place the audio mics in a different direction so it doesn't pick it up. All right, 8:05, 5 minutes into the opening hour. I see my video cam is on. Oh, there we go. I am here. Just make me less orange. There we go. So with the ability to trade in the markets, even on days like Wednesdays, I believe there's always opportunity. There's always things present in the market that are setting you up for future things to happen. You just have to be patient enough to let them play, to have them occur. One of the main things I'm seeing here is this supply reaction. £1 yen. You're getting a break of the candle. Going for what? 7-ish pips. That's an active trade that's playing out right now. Talking about GU being low probability. I mean GJ being low probability. I'd say it's a high probability. Just have a gap right here. The break of structure is very slight and minimum. Dollar's been in a downtrend for Tuesday, Wednesday, even Monday was bullish. Bullish Monday, bearish Tuesday, Wednesday. We're continuing our weekly trend. Same direction of last month. This month started as well. Just kind of doing a walk down across all boards right now. Usually have Aussie dollar on the screen. I'm not really paying attention to Aussie dollar at this moment. Looking more at pound yen, seeing if there's any possibilities. Negative on the dollar. Currently on the day. That means when it comes to my ex-USD pairs like euro and pound, should be expecting to be bullish. Positivity. Not seeing that. I'm even seeing a divergence here on SPX, S&P, going into a bearish camp, slightly under its opening. Nasdaq already floating, healthy, above its opening, still below its weekly average though, so slightly different structure here. You can see that supply here. That boy said, turn your caps locks off. Yo, chat. How you feel about people that talk with their caps lock on? Like, boy, if you don't stop yelling at me. That's how I be feeling. Boy, if you don't stop. You know what I'm saying? On my Twitter chat box. Because my fans be pulling up on me on Twitter. There we go. I got Twitch chat up just in case someone come through. I'm here. Issue GJ is a low probability, which I'm not going to take. The setup is here. We have had a rejection. We have had pending activations by the wick of the candles. We haven't had an actual close under this level, which is what we're waiting on. Got a slight temporary break. We'll make it orange because it wasn't a real break. Therefore, it's not a real technical entry. Seeing Euro gain some more strength here. The GU demand played out. Beautiful. Break of structure came back. Retest, took the break of the candle. 1, 2. Risking 5 pips. Beautiful trade. Right here at the opening bell. That was a nice buy on GU. It was real kind of hesitant just because of the fact that there hasn't been really any buyers at all in the pound market. Okay, let me find out GJ was actually taking that short opportunity serious. Looking like it. It's looking like it. Put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my name. What did it say? It said, put some respect on my name. He said, who getting roasted today? For whoever just joined, I'm not looking to sell GJ. I'm high key patiently waiting. I was just looking at the reaction off that level. Wanted to see if it was gonna do a 1-to-1 or not. This is a fly up here that's controlling K100. EU is pumping, ain't it? Well, it looks like it is, but it's really not. It ain't really doing that. Oh, just exhausted out. We got some news. 8:15. Okay. Strength to the weakness in the dollar. Strength to ex-USD pairs. I'm dead because both pound yen, that demand hit, supply hit on GJ, and this demand hit on GU. So there's opportunities in the market. I didn't take not a single one of these, but okay, so we're gonna have a liquidity sweep, liquidity rate on GU. I'm not interested in buying GU. Just for the fact, I haven't had pound strength at all, like at all, for some reason. I was on the wrong screen pointing out, but yeah. You had this demand play and the supply. So now we're creating divergence here. Really want to pay attention to where we are in the structure with inside the monthly, weekly, because that's where we're opening up on the first of the month. So as I see things like yen gain strength, dollar lose strength, okay, giving me not what I want to see on GJ. I'll move away from GJ slightly because it still could give me a liquidity grab play, which might be what we are looking for. Coming off the pullback of this bearish engulfing candle, trying to hold these lows in here. The lows were just swept. Okay, we got some structure there on the previous daily low. Nice. It's just 15-minute candle came all the way out. So you got a 15-minute engulfing supplied by the 5-minute, instituted with the 5-minute supply overhead. Liquidity grab. Or I should say liquidity sweep. Now, someone just pointed out some demand that was on NAS. That was pretty sick. Look at the supply off the daily yesterday's high. Given rejection. DJ getting some bounce. So a lot of things are trending. So I'm gonna put on this 20 EMA. Just so I can be aware of how the trend is flowing through the market. See where the trend is on NASDAQ. See price came back and retested in here. We're getting some divergence here. The indices. 1 hour pushing down, 30-minute agreeing, 15-minute disagreeing. The supply up here is pushing price down. Price tried to raid the high, got pushed back down. In this area, got a closure, got to tap into the zone. Someone says AU one more time. AU's gone, bro. Did get this 5-minute engulf, but I'm not chasing it. GU came back. Touched this entry to go do a deeper move. Looking at this liquidity grab on pound yen. Still down here in this 786, 886 retracement zone. Holding heavy. That was really good. Paying attention to the bearish 15-minute engulf. The D low. That's actually a D low. The reason I didn't take NASDAQ or S&P is because of the way this 5-minute candle. I don't really have a break besides this opening level right here. The break of the opening level isn't solidified enough for me to be strong enough to take it. So we patiently wait. There's no need to necessarily force it. There's no need to try to grab something that may or may not be there. So we just patiently wait. Wait and adapt to what the market is showing me. GU is gone. This actually was a great trade. This might have been a B setup. You got your demand, you got your institution, demand tap, you got your engulfing candle, you got the EMA cross, price crossing the EMAs, rejecting off of it. You got the daily opening rejection, so that's 4 right there. And then I could probably throw 5 in there to make it an A. But that's a B grade setup for sure. You got things stretching, trying to entice you into the market, consolidating in toward its highs and lows for NASDAQ, S&P. Got to be more patient. Always move, more patience. Not forcing things. Like when I first walked into the market, I saw this GU buy. Saw the pound yen sell. Not really agreeing with the divergence that this has been happening with as well. I'm gonna let that finish. We're gonna pay attention to this big old bad boy demand down here. Not sure if we're gonna take it, but it's there. It's definitely there. He was strange, man. Well, you know, it's one thing to say with like timing of the news, because I hate looking at news, but it's important because it tells you the time and where something's really gonna happen. So like as I pull up the news here, see we had ADP at 8:15. Notice how exactly at 8:15 you had, which was only 10 minutes ago, had this move in the indices. You had the currency gain bullish strength out of nowhere, gain bullish strength out of nowhere. So we know the move caused it to do something. So I trade my trades after 8:15. What has happened after 8:15 that was not here before? Like I'm trying to see, this is going to set up as a liquidity grab. From the low to high of the Asian range, actually going into the London high. Can you a reversal? So we definitely have some demand down here. Hasn't been closed upon yet, except this candle, first candle to close in. DJ refilling itself back out. I don't think it would do that. DJ showing itself. Did a full 2-to-1. Trending. D-low holding on GJ. Pound yen still pulling back. This is a trend shift. That's trending. Aussie dollar trending. Euro dollar trending. Pound dollar not breaking out. Broken out. That's not breaking out yet. $30-minute demand. Ooh. The liquidity rate. Breaker structure. Grab a liquidity. US 30, that's tough. Now let's see if we're gonna get something on NASDAQ, S&P. Rejecting that zone. Look at the 15-minute and 30-minute candles. Me personally, I would go for the demand here. I would go for the demand here. I would go for the buys. Oh wait, I'm gonna wait till this candle close. You notice that we have a reaction down. We've had a reaction down after the tap of the zone. Reaction down. Bullish candle close over the opening of the previous candle. So there's that. Here's my rejecting candle. How I would take that. I would go for buys. Just for the simple fact that the dollar is bearish. Now this isn't the greatest buy. I got one confluence, demand tap, engulf, reject, demand tap, EMA rejection. Low. No gap. Low probability. I would buy this demand liquidity grab, but we haven't had any buyers in here for a while in pound yen, so I'm not even gonna worry about it. I am waiting to see what S&P is gonna do though. Setup is there. Setup is there. See, I'm getting ranked. Patience is key though. You gotta be patient. For some reason, it's trying to make me only risk 0.5%. There we go. I mean, that's what I'm doing anyways. One, because it's low probability. Two, NFP week. Trying to see if we're going to cross this ready EMA or not. We're going to break it, because this could easily check back down still. That's not bad, actually. I would go for a full 2 points, though. Risking 3 points right here. 2 to 3 points. That's a small win right there. I don't really want that. Even though that's technically playing out. S&P and NASDAQ playing out. Off the demand tap into here, going up higher. Nice to see. That was correct. So in terms of analysis that I've seen, I'm 3-0. I haven't taken a single thing, but I'm 3-0. Sitting here observing, watching the charts. That's where you want to be in terms of a mental state, in terms of mentality, in terms of your energy. You want to be looking at the market, getting analysis, being correct with what you see. Just trusting the process, taking your time. This NASDAQ buy is hurting me as I'm sitting here looking at it. But you want to pay attention to your driver, right? The main thing I'm noticing here is that the dollar is just getting weaker and continuously getting weaker. In fact, I'm gonna go to the higher time frame now, like to the daily time frame. Let's see if it's engulfing anything that it did in the previous weeks, because these levels are important. Price could technically consolidate like it's been doing the whole year, since the beginning of the year, I should say. So very tight levels here. Very the trades that you take, you don't want to just hold on to forever, because it might go the opposite direction. Paying attention to GJ, man. This liquidity grab, I think it's doing it. I think that's the grab right there. You got the rate of the liquidity. I needed to push up to go back down one more time. Unless it's giving a 1 minute. No, that's demand right there. Boom. There's your demand. Can I get price to come back into that one more time? Really want to see something though. Something's got to shake. All right, my bad. I'm back. I'm here. Like I never left. That's all dark. Okay. I don't even look like I got light on. Dollar still holding its trend. Notice how the indices are slightly getting weaker here, as if this supply is becoming dominant control into dominance, pushing the market over, giving it an overhead. Sometimes the market will give you a mm, 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 mm. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't think anything's gonna happen before my usual time at 9:15. I'm just kind of observing the market, using today as observatory. My emotions, as I've been trading for the past 5 years, when I can honestly say I've been trading every day for the past 5 years, it's difficult to not trade. It's difficult to not place a trade. It's difficult to not even look at the charts. It's difficult because it's constantly in my mind. That burning desire is literally in my soul to see what's going on. So, how can you interpretate that energy, that power, into something that's not prohibiting you, something that's adding a source of relevancy to what you need? Market slowing down here, definitely slowing down. I've been thinking about starting to use the volume indicator more. It's one of them indicators like you don't need it, but it's like it's cool to see, or it's important to know who is in where at certain times. Like little things like seeing like the buyers are in the market more at this point in time than here. You can also use this as a identification with your supply and demand as well. I'm gonna slightly dim these out because I don't even really want to see them. We can even go 20. Make this one 15. Yeah. These. Now it's less prevalent. Oh, I'm missing my buy. That G. Oh, I missed it. Darn. I don't think it tapped back. It never tapped back. But it did bounce off that level. Sure it did. Distracted. It bounced off the negative 13 extension. So when it comes to liquidity grabs and reversals, I like to see price. So I'm gonna use this as my area of liquidity that's being grabbed. And for me, I like to use this FEB from wherever the intersection swings are. Inter being the interday, section, your Asian low mixed in with your London high, drew a FEB. Extended from that low is the negative 13 and negative 272 extension. Me, I just need to see price tap one of the levels, aka tap the zone, wherever the zone is going to be. The zone could look like this. The zone could be bigger and more spread, whichever one it touches first. In this case, I'll look to activate my entry one level up higher. That's how I used to play my harmonics. This looks like a very awkward. I don't want to say it's a crab because it's too pulled far back. But it have to be a butterfly. But even this is not a full. I would take it more. This looks like giving reaction off in some. Something more. Yeah, that's saying. This is looking more like a bat. Look how it's like this look. Notice what happened. Price came down to your first level here. Notice the difference between a reaction and a reversal. These are, in my opinion, these are technically still two reactions. You can count it as a reversal. It came up here and tested the trend again. It reversed here in the lower time frame, but still got rejected as it continued to mitigate itself lower. So completely random here. Not gonna be using any of these analysis in the way I trade in a couple months, but I was just giving you, my perspective on how I look at the markets and stuff, and where this 272 level came about. We are gonna keep that crap here though. Make it keeper so I can see what's up. So 1 to 1 4. I'm not gonna lie, is that not bearish structure? It is. Me, I'm hiding things off the chart because there's a lot on the screen right now. This also is not really black. It's not popping like it should. There's other things that are distracting like that for us. There you go. Okay, so then I can add something like that back. There we go. My eyes are tripping for a second. I cannot see the Asian lows. We have had a slight break of structure here on pound yen, and then it came back, retested a level of supply. All right, getting some liquidity grab, touch into the zone. Heading lower. It's on a buy signal. That's even a 5-minute engulf there. Did come back and touch that demand like I need to. I'm not gonna lie. Now I'm more interested in buying it. See the volume right here? Push the market up. But push the market up from right there at that time. Was it the low? Was it the liquidity sweep that pushed the market back up? As soon as price went back down, it immediately ejected back up. Just no quinky dink, but notice notice as well. Oh no, I ain't got no on-screen volume. I guess I could. Hey, that's how. It's not the same thing. Just on the other. Is it? Is it? Is it really though? Nah, it's not. I knew it. Okay. Dim you out. Okay, so what I want to see. What am I looking for? What's not on the screen that's usually here? I'm looking. My eyes are looking for something. I can't tell it. This is becoming more of a favorite probability to me. I'm gonna put an alert for price to hit this 1272 level because I'm gonna be actively looking to buy to that. 100%. Bouncing off of previously weekly low. There's a previous weekly low here. Previously weekly low. The weekly low is here from, no, this is last Wednesday's low. Weekly low. This is Monday. A weekly low from right here. I'm tripping. I can't even tell. From yesterday's New York session. So can we get the same bounce that technically already happened during Asian session. Another reaction. I don't know. Are we gonna raid this low finally? Are we finally gonna raid the weekly lows? That's where I would put my stop. Risking, that's GJ 210, 12 pips. That's not bad. 12 so I can get 20. Really trying to risk 10. Dollar still just dropping here as I'm looking at it. More bearish continuation. There's considerable drops over and over again. Drop here, from here, from here. It's getting beat up. Dollar is getting beat up right now. This 15-minute supply is looking more and more attractive the more I sit here and look at it, though. The way that's pulling away from the zone, pulling away from the high, pulling away from the weekly, yearly, monthly high. No, that's not yearly. That's not yearly. That's not yearly. That's just monthly. Monthly and weekly high. Or is that a target? That's definitely a target for some people. But those people are getting ate up right now. That's 5 minutes. That's an Ingo. This is a setup. This is an Ingo. DJ coming lower, rating the low again, coming closer towards that zone. I'm not gonna lie, I'm tempted to sell NASDAQ here. How many points is that? 8 points. I don't mind risking 8 points here. Get that. Confluence, rejection from the supply. Engulfing, reversing out. Off the 20 EMA. I'm about to set that up. I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm about to take that. I want to be careful here. Buyers can still come in. But you've had a previous D-low right here. It did tap already. It tapped. Got pushed out. 30-minute. You have a 30-minute high. You do. There it is. There it is, boys. And I don't even got my magic key set up. Not even ready to take it. We're calm. We're not rushing. Not even forcing. How many points do we say? Got 9 points risk. Small for S&P. Put it at 10. I'm not in the trade. I'm waiting for it to break. Waiting to decide if I'm really even gonna take it. Trying to see if just the move. Don't know. I don't know why I like that so much. Maybe I'm just noticing it. The dollar is going bearish here. Oh, I'm missing the GJ reaction that I was talking about. GJ hit that level. Did it not? Okay, now it's just dipped back into the 13 extension. Need to see some more confirmations to bounce out the dead. So I can take it for a buy. Real prevalent opportunity. Really like it. I'm gonna say so. Definitely an opportunity here. I'm not taking this though. I don't think there's any volume here. A lot of sellers. A lot of sellers. There's the break. We're getting our active break. We're gonna watch this play out. slowly gonna start getting ready here myself. I see you down there, GJ. I'm watching you. Especially as it curls up here at the end of the hour. Pound yen is probably gonna be my favorite thing here. The trade of the day. I don't know though. This is intersecting pretty heavy. Breaking this trend. Nice 4-hour closure. Riding the daily though. Slowly fanning out the daily. Also for Nasdaq, what we're looking at, notice how it's pulling closer. Back down here. Yeah, we can get it to the 618. This is the favorite zone. I'll buy it here, not in between. Not gonna get sandwiched. Not even gonna get sandwiched trying to short this. I've had that happen to me before too. That's why I didn't take it. That's why that's where the hesitancy is being taken, coming from, and me trying to take this. I'm sitting here eyeballing GJ though, waiting on it to get right. Because I tell you what, it's not gonna leave me. Coming closer to this 86 retracement too. Yeah, it was really good. Really want to see this. That's what you want to see. Coming back onto the 886. Yeah. Risk on my 10 pips. I think that's what I'm gonna take. It's pound GG. I'm gonna leave Nasdaq alone. I'm gonna go ahead and let pound yen keep falling. Keep doing your thing. Level hit. Of course, I don't have it on my FEBs. Yeah, how quick I am. Negative 0. I already have it, but it's not here. Why isn't it? I did it opposite. I ain't got time. So we're gonna run it like this. We're gonna run it like so. That negative 27. Opening up that out. We're we risking 10. Really take it back up here. That's what we want. That's what we want. Get my risk to 0.5%. I think that's what I think that's what I hesitating. It's bouncing out that zone. I'm missing my opportunity here. We're also in the last 5 minutes of the hour, which is against my rules, so I'm not entering. I was looking for a reason not to enter there. I'm not going to cap, and I found one. It's the last 5 minutes of the hour. I'm not entering. That setup is prevalent right there. That Nasdaq sell is playing out. Nice. So I'm 4-0. I've seen a total of 4 setups. Taking Neum, one of them. S&P's really falling. So this is a strong prevalent supply here. Overtaking the hourly. Nice sell. Definitely coming to tap back in these demand though. Demand zone. Whoa. Demand zone. I'm looking at the calendar. Ooh. I hadn't broke the previous 5-minute candle though. That's what I am noticing. We're gonna see how this hour closes. You gotta play that tight. PP would have hit here on NASDAQ. Yeah. But if you would have played it more spread, 8 points. Hasn't reached it yet. Wicked it. 1 minute engulf there on GJ. Open of the 4-hour candle. That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see on GJ. Yeah. It's okay if GJ breaks lower. It's perfectly okay. I am perfectly okay with that. NASDAQ going the other direction. I'm noticing color continue to get weak here. Engulf opportunity. Telling y'all I want to take GJ. Can't be on this candle though. It's not an entry candle. That's got to close bullish. And then next one's got to close bullish with it in terms of the price action. Notice how price just tapped back here. Leveled out. Now that's heading lower. I want to see this continue to extend and stretch out. If there's going to be any pound buy, it usually is. That's why I'm not scared. Look at something else. AU. Not a likely area. Like this area. More than the other. It's not the greatest. Why we didn't take NASDAQ? I mean, if you want to be technical, then you would have played it right. I think 101. But I don't like how tight it is. 7 points on NASDAQ. Like at least 8 to 12. Alright, I'll be right back. If I see something, I will say it. Just believe. All right, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and end the stream. I'm not seeing anything really here. I mean, not a lot. I do see this, but it's not doing it. It's a good chance it could. I'm contemplating if I want to take that risk. Is that the opportunity I'm trying to take at this point in time? Also see S&P setting up for a possible buy out of zone. It's not there yet. Gotta come low. See Nasdaq still floating positive as well. This is an opportunity I can still technically go short. But yeah, I'm more focused on pound yen. Not gonna cap if it breaks the high, that intersection right there, I'm buying for sure. We're just getting 12 points. No, we want 10. It's giving us the reaction, man. Alright, y'all, but I'm out, man. I appreciate you. Till next time. Love and peace.